Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Today we're going to look at 2 cybersecurity stocks to watch as the Russia-Ukraine crisis escalates. With Russia invading Ukraine and Western countries such as the US and many European countries putting sanctions on Russia, many are saying that it is very likely that Russia is likely to respond with cyber attacks on the US and on Western networks. The likelihood of increased cyber insecurity should have network administrators worried, and this should give a boost to cybersecurity firms. This is a crucial time where cybersecurity firms' services will be needed. The first stock is CyberArk Software, and its ticker is CYBR. CyberArk is a leader in identity security solutions. CyberArk has over 7,000 customers in over 110 countries. This includes more than half of the Fortune 500 companies. CyberArk's products include privileged access management for vendors and cloud access, with applications to both workforce and customer populations. The company offers solutions for the defense against cyber attacks, as well as audit and safety inspection compliance. A key measure of a digital company's success is the recurring revenue, and CyberArk has excelled there. The company's annual recurring revenue grew 44% to $393 million in Q4 2021, accelerating from over 38% in Q3. This was just a part of what management described as a record quarter and a record year for the company. In its recent Q4 2021 earnings release, CyberArk showed new highs in both quarterly and full-year revenue, at $151.3 million and $502.9 million. Service subscription revenue at $47.6 million was up 142% from the year-ago quarter. The company finished 2021 with approximately $1.2 billion in cash and liquid assets. The current price for CyberArk Software is $158.85. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 15 buy ratings and 2 a hold. The analyst price target on CYBR stock is $198.18, and this is a 24.76% upside based on 17 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for CyberArk Software. Looking ahead, CyberArk expects to keep growing. In Q1 2022, revenue is predicted at $125 million to $133 million. And for the full year, the company is guiding towards $582 million to $598 million. At the midpoint, these guidance estimates suggest a 15% sequential gain and a 17% full-year gain at the top line. In coverage from Morgan Stanley is analyst Hamza Fodderwala, and he notes that current conditions are strongly encouraging new customers in the cybersecurity space. He wrote that we think there are several underlying drivers that could drive upside, including 1, a stronger demand environment, particularly for CyberArk's core privileged access management (PAM) solution to secure sensitive data against growing cyber threats. We are also growing attach rate from emerging use cases like DevSecOps and broader access management. As such, he has a bullish outlook and gives it a $235 price target, which is a 47.94% upside. The second cybersecurity stock is Tenable Holdings, and its ticker is TENB. Tenable is a company whose chief product, Nessus, protects its users from cyber exposure. So at heart, Nessus is a vulnerability scanner, and it gives users the ability to locate and seal weak points in their network. Tenable also offers a line of software products designed to let users to see, predict, and act on specific network exposure weaknesses. Tenable's products are popular with Fortune 500 companies, and the company boasts that it has assessed over 68,000 vulnerabilities through its installed plugins. We can see that Tenable is gaining from an increasingly dangerous cyber environment, as this is clear from the company's steady expansion. The most recent quarter reported, which was Q4 of 2021, showed the 8th consecutive quarter of sequential top-line gains, as revenue grew from $138 million in Q3 to $149 million. This was a 26% year-over-year gain, and non-GAAP EPS came in at 5 cents, which was a drop from the 13 cents reported in the year-ago quarter, but it's higher than the 3 cents analysts had expected. For the full year of 2021, the numbers were just as solid. Revenue was up 23% year-over-year to $541.1 million. And non-GAAP EPS grew from 2020's to 19 cents to 34 cents. The company saw unlevered free cash flow of $95.2 million for the year, more than double the previous year's $44.3 million. Also fueling this growth is Tenable's steady drive to expand its operations and customer base. The company announced this month that its technology ecosystem had reached a total of 100 partners with 200 integrations. And on February 1st, Tenable announced it had entered an agreement to acquire the attack path management firm Symptom. Neither company disclosed terms of the deal, which is expected to close during this current quarter. The current price for Tenable Holdings is $52.14. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 10 buy ratings. The analyst price target on Tenable is $66.70, which is a 27.92% upside based on 10 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives deems it to be a buy with a $70 price target, which is a 34.25% upside. And he says that we believe Tenable has just started to penetrate its customer base and is in the very early innings of capitalizing on a significant market opportunity that is morphing from a narrow vulnerability management solution into a broader cyber risk exposure platform. In our opinion, Tenable at current levels is still an undervalued asset, given the value of the company's core product franchise on cloud, which remains a key area of technology spending going forward, as today only 44% of workloads sit on the cloud, and we are poised to be at 55% by the end of 2022. Tenable remains one of our top picks across all of tech. So guys, those are the two cybersecurity stocks that analysts deem a buy. What do you guys think of these two stocks? Do you think there is an increasing need of cybersecurity firms helping out in the current crisis? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!